Good morning, everyone. This is such a weird way to start off the vlog. I'm sorry, I'm literally crying. Like, there are tears. I'm so stupid. I posted a vlog this morning, just like I don't know, 2 days in my life. And the comments you guys leave on my videos are so nice. I mean, I just feel so lucky. I have like the best audience in the entire world. You guys are incredible. And every time I post a video, I always look forward to reading your comments, and they just get better and better. All right, so I already finished up eating my breakfast, and I get like this a lot with food, so I'm not even surprised, but I've been eating the same breakfast for the past week and a half, almost 2 weeks, which is just toast with peanut butter and jelly. Once I find something that I like, I eat it pretty consistently until I find something that I like a little bit better. It's always how I've been, and it's honestly kind of annoying sometimes, but it's fine. I'm also still working on my coffee. This thing can definitely be kind of strong depending on how I make it, so I try and make it last me a few hours rather than just drinking it all in one sitting and then feeling jittery for the entire day, because that happens to me quite often. I also just finished my makeup, and I want to share something with you guys really, really quickly. So I recently discovered something that I think kind of changed the game for my makeup look, and it's super, super simple. So basically what I've been doing is I've been taking a really light brown shade from the Lorac Pro palette. This is in the color Taupe, and an angled eyeliner or eyeshadow brush. I don't know, I usually use this for my eyebrows, and I've been taking just a little bit and putting it in the inner corner of my eye. I guess this is a toned down version of the fox eye makeup look that a lot of people have been doing, but it's not nearly as dramatic. And I think especially because I have almond shaped eyes, it just makes my eyes look so much bigger. That in combination with the middle part, I think it's kind of a game changer. And of course I discover this when I can't leave my house, but I figure once I can go out and socialize, this is gonna be really cool. I don't even know if you guys can tell a difference. Let me know if you can, but I can tell a difference, and I think it looks really good. Now that my makeup's done, I have to move on to one of my bigger projects of the day that I'm so beyond excited to show you guys. I have been waiting for this package to come in the mail for such a long time, and it's finally here. So with all this time in quarantine, I find that the #1 thing that I'm doing is going back and reliving old memories. So I've been going through my Snapchat memories, my Facebook pictures, and all that stuff, and I realized that I don't really have any of my photos from pretty much any time in my life beyond when I was in, like, I don't know, elementary school, printed out on paper. They're all existing on Facebook or Instagram, which is great, but we don't know how long those platforms are gonna exist. And I've always loved the idea of those old fashioned photo albums. So what I did is I found out that Shutterfly has this deal for new customers where you can get 101 free prints, and all you have to do is pay for shipping. So I got more than 101 prints, and I also got a photo album from Amazon. So this is just a cute little sentimental activity. I know it doesn't really mean much to me now because, I don't know, some of these memories were from like 2 months ago, but I imagine that when I'm like 30 years old and I have kids, maybe I'm gonna be able to show them this, and that's really cool. This might not end up being the quickest process because I do want to put all these pictures in chronological order, but once it's done, I know I'm going to be so happy. So I'll have the link down below, both to Shutterfly if you guys want, and the exact photo album that I bought off Amazon. Both super inexpensive and definitely something that I'm going to be happy I did in the long run. So I'm going to play some music from my April playlist and get started. I really can't tell you guys how happy I am that I ended up doing this, and I cannot recommend it enough to you. It's just something about holding these pictures physically in your hand and sorting through all of these amazing memories and all these amazing people that you're lucky enough to have in your life that really reminds you, especially during this time where it's so easy to feel helpless and alone, that you're not alone and you have such an incredible support system. I never really doubt my support system because I realize how lucky I am, but sometimes you lose sight of how many amazing and supportive people you have in your life. and I'm feeling really, really grateful. Okay, I just got changed and shot some content really quickly outside. And I mean, it was pouring rain, I want to say like an hour ago, and now it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know how cold it is, but if the furniture in my backyard isn't too wet and it's not too cold, I think I'm gonna go and sit outside for a little bit, because why not? This weekend is also supposed to be, we're good. I don't care. This weekend is also supposed to be beautiful, so I mean, there's really not much that I can do, but I'm gonna try and make some sort of plan for myself for Sunday, because it's gonna be like 80 degrees, which is crazy, and I have to take advantage of that. I refuse to sit in my house all day, but I have a few days to figure that out, which is good. But I do wanna see how nice it is outside, because it would be cool to be able to get some vitamin D, even though there's literally no sun in my backyard. I don't know how possible that is, but we'll see. Pacing in my backyard because I literally hadn't left my bed all day, and I was watching TikTok while doing it, and I got like 600 steps. It was crazy. So if you guys are looking to do absolutely nothing while still doing something, do that. It works. If you look up there, that's the deck that I'm trying to renovate. I mentioned that in my morning routine. God, the birds are being loud today. I mentioned that in my morning routine, and I also brought it up to my parents, and I wasn't aware of the fact that it's like borderline falling apart. So we might have to renovate it before I can decorate it, but we'll figure that out. I also just thought it was funny because in the video that went up today, I sang for like literally 2.5 seconds, and I was like, did a full 180, crazy. And a lot of you guys were like, oh my God, why don't you sing on your channel? And if you were subscribed to me back in high school, you would know I actually used to sing on my channel a lot, and then I got made fun of a lot, so I stopped doing that. But you know what? Now that I'm technically out of college, what the hell do I care? If you guys want me to start singing, I'll do that, because I'm really that bored. All right, now that I just wasted a half hour of my time and way too long of your time, I should probably go do something productive. Shall we? Let's go. Okay, well, I should have been working on my homework. I wasn't, and I was actually singing, and I did something a little ballsy. I was literally just telling you guys outside that I could sing again if you guys wanted me to, and I took it upon myself to just do it, and I just posted a video on Instagram, and I'm like still very much shaking. I was standing here with my mom when I posted it. I literally haven't done this since junior year of high school, and I got made fun of for it, so let's hope the outcome is different this time. Still shaking, but I have the best friends in the world, and they're hyping me up. So if you guys are seeing this and you haven't already seen the video, go over to my Instagram. Like it if you want, comment if you want. That would make me happy. Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery.
Delivery is about an hour and a half. Is that okay?
Oh, baby, hour and a half.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Can we get one plain pie?
Andrew likes to sit here.
He does. That's his calzone. That's his calzone seat. The delivery people left these chairs in our driveway, and we're a little too lazy to move them right now, although I feel like I'm gonna have to get up. So we've just been laying in the middle of the driveway for the past like 20 minutes. So we're back at the house today because there are lots of things getting delivered and lots of things that we have to unpack and get situated. The first of which was all of the furniture that's in the backyard right now. We got 4 chaise lounges delivered and a bunch of chairs and a table to go on our deck. And then a little bit of furniture is getting delivered for inside the house. The first of which seems pretty insignificant, I guess, unless you're really into home decor, but my mom has been super excited about this. She got this ladder, and she's gonna just like drape a bunch of different throw blankets on it, and I feel like that's gonna look really cute. I don't know if it's gonna live in this room necessarily, because this is my parents' room, but for now, we're just gonna keep it in here. And not much else has changed for the most part, except for the fact that I put this rug in my room. I've decided that my color scheme is gonna be black, white, gold and wood accents, and then green. So not necessarily green like in the bedspread or anything, but I wanna get plants, and ideally, crossing my fingers, I wanna get a hanging chair from the ceiling to put in this corner right here. All of those fun decorations for my room are probably gonna end up being one of the last steps in getting the house ready, because there's lots of other things that take priority, of course, but I think my family's still in the backyard. And oh, hi brother. Is that a joke? she did. Ooh, the mozzarella sticks are good too. What an odd combination of food we have here.
Endure that walk.
So I definitely was sitting outside for a little longer than I should have. My chest is red, my face is probably red underneath my makeup, but it's okay. It was such a beautiful day outside and we haven't had a day like this in so long, so I was taking full advantage. But now I'm inside and I think I'm gonna watch an episode or two of Summer House. My parents walked down to the beach and they just like wanted to get some fresh air, but I wasn't in the mood to go. So when they text us and say that we need to go pick them up, then we'll end up heading out. Let me know if you guys have ever watched Summer House and what you think of it. I'm starting from season 1, episode 1. I never really watched Bravo ever, so if you guys have any other shows that you think I would like, I have all the time in the world, so let me know and I'll probably end up getting to it eventually. Now and I've been home for a few hours. Right when I got home, all I wanted to do was take a shower because I was wearing makeup all day and I was also in the sun, so I was just feeling kind of gross. And once I took the shower, I realized that I got a lot of sun today, which is really nice because it's been a hot second since I've gotten some sun. My chest is definitely a little bit red, but that's okay. It will turn into a tan eventually. I have an god-awful tan line on my stomach because I was wearing high-waisted jeans and laying in the sun. Not my brightest idea, but it's fine, it happens. And my face definitely has a little bit more color, which is amazing. Honestly, if nothing else, I just want my face to be a little bit more tan, and I was wearing SPF and everything. So, I mean, it could only have been so much, but I'm definitely feeling a little bit better. And now that I'm home and done with dinner, I figured we could wind down for the night together. I have some products that I want to talk to you guys about and whatever, we could just do some chatting. So I just kind of went through and cleaned up my entire desk space, which reminded me that I want to talk to you guys about one particular product, which is the eyelash serum that I've been using. I've spoken about it in a few videos. I got it for Christmas, so if you watched my what I got for Christmas video, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I have been using, one second, I have been using the Babe Lash eyelash serum every single night since I want to say the beginning of February is when I started using it. I mean, right now there's nothing on my eyelashes. It's just completely natural. I didn't even curl them and they're so much longer than they used to be. My hair as is doesn't really grow all too fast. So I've always had eyelashes that are on the shorter side, but they've definitely gotten a lot longer and a lot thicker. And I mean, I can only credit it to this product. So I definitely recommend that you guys buy this, especially because it's pretty inexpensive on Amazon. And I mean, it's quarantine, we're all not doing anything, and I feel like we're all looking for little things to pass the time during the day. Not that this passes any time, but it's a nice thing to instill in your routine. I also changed into the sweatshirt that I spoke about in my loungewear video, but oddly enough, a lot of you guys didn't end up watching that video, so I figured I could just talk about it here. The sweatshirt is from Forever 21. I wasn't able to find the link when I was linking all the products for that video, so I don't know if I'll be able to find it, but I feel like I might be able to find something similar. The reason I like it is because the inside of the sweatshirt isn't a fleece material, it's a terry cloth material, so it almost feels like I'm wearing my robe. So it's definitely a lot more summery and it doesn't like weigh me down or anything like this. So I'll definitely be able to wear this when I go to the beach and stuff like that, but for now, it's just nice to lounge around in. I already did my skincare routine and everything. I just love having a tan. Like, this completely changes the game for me. I'm feeling so good. But now that I did my entire skincare routine and everything, I kind of just want to relax. I totally forgot that I had these blue light glasses from Princess Polly when I did a collaboration with them back in December, and I really like them. I tend to like how they look on me better when I have makeup on, but whatever. It's just since my screen time is so high at this point since we're all in quarantine and there's literally nothing to do. So my eyes have been hurting and I've been getting headaches. So those glasses really help. But now, I mean, it's not even that late. Lord knows I won't end up going to bed till like 2 o'clock anyway, just like I always do. But that leaves me lots and lots of time to watch How I Met Your Mother, of course. But since I have Hulu, I am just now seeing all the other shows that's on it. And if you guys watched my study abroad vlogs, then you know that I was watching Full House from the beginning. Starting from literally like my first night in Spain, I kind of checked their Netflix and I saw that they had Full House, and I hadn't watched it since I was little, and it's my favorite show next to Friends and now How I Met Your Mother, and I never got to finish it. So I think I'm definitely gonna end up wrapping this up. I was on the last season, I'm pretty sure, until I had to leave, so I'll be able to finish that up as well. But if you guys have any other Hulu or Netflix shows, any recs that you guys think I might like, let me know. I'm into like more sitcom-y shows. Obviously, I mean, Friends, How I Met Your Mother, Full House, anything along those, New Girl is another really good example. Any shows like that I really, really like. But that's probably gonna end up being my night. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it was a more casual vlog. I really like watching videos like this. I was just watching Brooke Michio's, and I mean, I love her videos because they kind of just feel like you're talking to a friend, and that is what I hope my videos feel like. So if they feel like that's you, then I guess I'm doing my job right. And I just wanted to say that I love you guys. I really hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Know that I'm thinking of you every single day, and I just appreciate all the constant support. It really does mean the world. I hope that you guys continue to be so responsive, because it really is my favorite part about posting videos. So that's it. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye.